good morning everyone. How are you today? Miss hope all of you always be okay. Alright? Okay, we meet again with Miss Ri today by this video. And Miss want to ask you about something. Okay, who knows what is the day for today? Alright, today is Monday. And then what is the date for today? Alright, today is 19 of October 2020. Alright, we will continue on our English lesson today by video. Alright, today Miss will give you material from workbook, page 38 until 35. Nah, di sini ada yang nggak Miss masukkan. Page 39, ya, yang halaman 39 itu Miss tinggalin karena itu untuk take a score. Nah, untuk ambil nilai writing and listening. Oke, nanti kalau ada yang bertanya-tanya, Miss kenapa nggak ada halaman 39-nya? Halaman 39 itu untuk nanti kita ambil nilai ya, makanya Miss lewatin. Alright, okay. Today we will discuss about some question in workbook. Alright, okay. Let's see about. Okay, let me see the first slide. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 38, part 1. Okay. Remember the story. So, please remember the story. The title is Cleaning Up. Because we will answer the question from the story. Alright. Okay. Kalian boleh buka bukunya ya, yang Cleaning Up, page 38 and 39. Alright. Let me see the first question. Why does Ben want to look for the letter in the morning? Nah, mengapa Ben mau mencari hurufnya di pagi hari? Nah, because, kalau tanyanya why, jawabnya because, karena apa? Okay. Because he is tired. Karena Ben-nya sudah lelah, sudah capek. Okay, we continue the next question. What time do Horax and Zelda go home? Jam berapa Horax dan Zelda pulang ke rumah? Jam. Who want to answer? Alright. At 10:30. Alright. And then, where does Ben look for the letter first? Di mana Ben mencari hurufnya itu pertamanya di mana? Ya. Okay. Under the table. And then, where does Lucy look for the letter first? Lucy mencarinya di mana? In a trash can. Alright. Who helped Lucy clean up? Siapa yang membantu Lucy membersihkan? Buster. Where does Lucy find the letter? Di mana Lucy menemukan huruf? On the table. What is the second letter? Huruf yang kedua ditemukan mereka adalah F. Alright. Okay. Now we have discuss about this question. So please write on your workbook. Okay. Jangan lupa ditulis di buku workbooknya itu, diisi, dijawab ya jawabannya. Nanti lupa, hilang jawabannya. Okay. Let's continue on the next slide, the next material. Okay. This material is taken from your workbook, page 38 to part 2, bagian 2-nya. Read and choose the best answer. Okay. we answer. Okay? Yuk kita discuss. Number 1. Wait. Number 1. Look at picture 1 and 3. What's the same about Ben and Zelda? Okay. The answer is A. They are hungry. B. They are tired. And then C. They are hungry. Okay. The best answer is A, B, or C. Alright, B. Good. And then number 2. Look at picture 7 and 8. What is the same about Lucy in picture and Ben in picture 8? Okay. A. They are sad. B. They are angry. And C. They are excited. So the best answer is A, B, or C. B, no, but C. Alright. Look at picture 6 and 7. What's different about Lucy? Okay. A, first she is happy. Then she is unhappy. B, first she is unhappy. Then she is excited. C, first she is scared. And then she is not tired. So the best answer is A, B, or C. B. Alright, good. Okay, don't forget to write on your workbook, alright? Okay. Next, we continue the next slide. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 40, part 1. Complete the words, alright? Okay. Yang ini, we must remember again about the story Arnold and the Robots. Okay. Nah, di sini kita harus mengingat lagi story kita yang tentang atau teks bacaan kita tentang Arnold the Robots. Okay, look at the picture. Nah, kita akan menuliskan gambar-gambarnya. Tentang apa ya? Okay, number 1. Let's we discuss. Number 1, this is, number 1 ini apa ini? Arnold or robot? Or Williams? This is a robot. Alright. And then number 2, who is? Ini Arnold, William, or robot? Iya, scientist. Si William-nya ya. Nama si scientist-nya William or Arnold? William ya. So this is Mr. Willie, a scientist. Okay. And then number 3. What is this? Alright, who knows? Good. Laboratory. Nah, ini laboratorium si Mr. William. And then number 4. Tuh ada tombol ya. What is it? Button. Alright. And then the last, what is it? Ini ada yang tahu apa ini? Cangkir, mangkuk, or? Alright, this is a ember or this is a bucket. Alright, good. So don't forget to write. Alright, we continue on the next slide. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 40, part 2. Okay, read and write the words. Still about the story Arnold and the robot. Let us discuss about answer. Okay, di sini ada pilihannya ya. War, scientist, difficult, room, robot, floor, dozen, and angry. Nah, kita akan menjawab ininya soalnya. We will answer this question based on our story. Okay, we start. William adalah seorang scientist. He makes, apa yang dibuat oleh William? Dia membuat robots, okay? Arnold is helper. Alright, good. He doesn't like his work because it's too difficult. Alright. One day, William goes into town. He tells Arnold to clean the room. Arnold wash the table and sweep the table and sweep the floor. He tells the robot to wash the floor. Alright. The buckets of water over the floor. William comes home. He is angry. Alright. Nah, we have done to discuss about our answer. So please don't forget to write on your workbook. Okay? Okay. We continue the next slide. Alright. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 41, part 1. Okay. Look at the picture and tell the story. Use the words from the box. Nah, kita nih ya, ini agak berbeda dari your workbook. Miss buatnya seperti ini pilihannya. Gak apa-apa ya. Okay, let's start. Okay, picture number 1. Ini kira-kira ceritanya tentang apa? Ya, dia lagi ngapain? Want to the dishes. Lagi mencuci piring ini ya. Ini ada piringnya nih. Okay. And then picture number 2. Dia lagi ngapain nih? Okay. Lagi happy. Alright. And then picture number 3. Dia lagi ngapain? Stop. Dia suruh memberhentikannya. Si Arnoldnya pencet-pencet remote control robotnya ya. Alright. And then look at this picture. Ini dia lagi ngapain? One robot help. Ya, oke, dia mau bantu robotnya. Alright. I'm sorry, dia mau robot membantu dirinya. Oke. And then the next picture. Dia lagi ngapain ini? Drop plates. Dia menghambur-hamburkan ya, menjatuhkan piringnya. And then the last, datanglah si Mr. William. Lalu si Mr. William angry. Alright. The next slide. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 42, part 1. Okay, it is about coloring, okay? Look and color the water blue. Nah, dia suruh kita itu ya, mewarnai yang cukup air ya, yang daerah cukup air itu diwarnai dengan warna biru ya, sesuai dengan student book kita page 42 ya, yang sudah kita bahas waktu di Zoom kemarin. Nah, oke. Sekarang kita mau mewarnai yuk. Now take your pencil color. Okay. Let's coloring. Nah, yang warna birunya, Miss birunya seperti ini ya. Kalian boleh birunya seperti lain. Mana yang mau diwarnai dengan warna biru? Oke. Oke, nah kalian rapi-rapi ya. Oke. Oke, let's color. Yang ini Miss tandai warna biru ini. Ini warna biru semua ya. Nah, oke. Okay, this is. And next ke sini warna blue juga. Nah, ini. Nah, seperti ini ya. I'm so sorry, Miss nggak rapi mewarnainya. Oke, nah. Kalian di rumah bisa rapiin ya. Oke, abaikan punya Miss ini. Oke, setelah diwarnai rapi, we continue the next slide. Alright. This slide is taken from your workbook page 42 part 2, bagian 2-nya. Nah, di sini ada how can you save water? Look and check the correct picture. Nah, gambar yang benar untuk menghemat air yang mana? Oke, let's see. Number 1, sampelnya sudah ada ya, yang B. Kalau yang number 2, picture number 2 yang mana? A or B yang menghemat air, yang B ya. Kalau A itu, yang A itu dia habisin air. Terus yang 3 yang mana? Yang ini yang E-nya kerannya terbuka terus. Yang B ditutup. Arti yang hemat save water-nya di B. Oke. And then number 4. Number 4 yang mana? Diambil airnya dari sini. Berarti dia nggak menghemat air dong. Bentar-bentar buka air, bentar-bentar buka air. Dia yang E. Oke. Let's continue on the next slide. Alright, this line is taken from your workbook page 43, part 1. How can you save water? Read and write the words. Nah, kita disuruh melengkapi kalimatnya dengan pilihan wash, shower, never, waste, faucet, full, turn. Faucet ini keran ya. Oke. Number 1. Take a apa? Ayo, who knows? Take a shower. Showers with less water than bath. Nah, shower itu banyak menghabiskan air atau menyia-nyiakan air ya. Always turn the faucet, ya dia bilang selalu matiin tuhnya ya, kerannya. Terus 4, always wash, cuci buahnya di mangkok ya, enggak di kerannya yang dibuka terus, karena itu akan menghabiskan air, tidak hemat ya. Nah, the last, never start half full ya, jangan buka kerannya itu ya, tidak membuka keran yang full, bukanya dikit aja, biar airnya keluarnya sedikit. Oke, we continue the next slide. Oh ya, full ini ya. Nah, selalu menunggu, Miss ketinggalan tadi. Always wait until it is full. Nah, kita selalu tunggu airnya sampai full, jangan ditinggalin kemana-mana. Nanti we'll forget. Nanti kita lupa menutupnya. Lah, airnya habis ya. Oke. We continue the next slide. Alright. This slide is taken from your workbook page 44, part 1. Match the question with the answer. Nah, kita mau mencocokkan antara pertanyaan ya yang diwarna yellow dengan jawabannya the answer yang diwarna pink. Nah, number 1. What jobs do you do at home, Stuart? Nah, kira-kira jawabannya yang mana ya? Oke, let's see. Oke, dia tanya sama Stuart-nya, dia mengerjakan apa di rumah. Nah, si Stuart jawab, I clean my room and I walk the dog every day. Oke. And then, do you sometimes do the dishes? Apakah kamu kadang-kadang atau terkadang mencuci piring? Kira-kira jawabannya yang mana ya? Oke, yang ini. No, I don't. Mom doesn't want me to break her plates. Mamanya nggak mau nanti piringnya pecah-pecah. piringnya jatuh ya, diiniin sama stewardnya. Right, number 3, what's your favorite job? Nah, favorit jobnya yang mana? Okay, walking the dog. I love it. Nah, itu yang dia suka, mengajak anjingnya jalan-jalan. Okay. And then, do you like cooking? Alright. Jawabannya yang mana? It's okay. Masih bisa lah, dia bilang ya. And then number 5, what is your least favorite job? Apa ya favorit jobnya yang mereka suka? Okay. Number 5, yang mana kita lihat? Cleaning my room. I hate it. Nah, and then number 6, do you get money for helping at home? No, but my dad pays me $5 when I help in the yard. Nah, papanya kasih $5 ya kalau dia membersihkan halamannya, bantu-bantu membersihkan halaman. Oke. Let's continue on the next slide. Okay, this slide is taken from your workbook, page 44, part 2. Read about store, underline the mistakes, then write the correct sentences. Nah, ini Miss ambil dari buku kalian halaman 44, bagian 2 ya. Nah, dia suruh kita underline, garis bawahin yang salah, yang tidak sesuai dengan dialog mereka tadi ya. Dia bilang, lalu kita akan membenarkannya. Oke, yuk kita lihat mana yang harus kita bawahi. Garis bawahi, I'm sorry. Oke, wait. Alright. Ini sudah ada ya. For example, feed. Okay, Stuart has to clean his room and feed the dog every day. Okay. On the weekend, he cooks the dinner. Alright. Ini not dinner, but breakfast. Alright. 1 ya, we underline. And then he doesn't have to do this. His mom doesn't want him to break her plates. Alright. His favorite jobs is cooking. Okay, no. Ini garis bawah. Kalian lihat garisnya rapi-rapi ya. I'm so sorry, punya Miss ini miring-miring. He doesn't like cleaning his room. Okay. He doesn't get money for helping, but his mom give ini 1 ya, gives him $5 when he does the dishes. Not that does the dishes, but help in the yard. Oke, nah inilah kata-kata yang harus kita underline, harus kita garis bawahi. Oke, yuk kita lihat the correct sentence-nya seperti apa. Nah, ini dia. Stuart has to clean his room and walk the dog every day. On the weekend, he cooks the breakfast. He doesn't have to do the dishes. His mom doesn't want him to break her plates. Yeah. His favorite job is walking the dog. He doesn't like cleaning his room. He doesn't get money for helping, but his dad gives him $5 when he helps in the yard. Nah, yang Miss warnai dengan warna red ini, inilah yang diperbaiki dari yang kita garis bawahi tadi. Okay, don't forget to write on your workbook. Okay. Next, we continue the next slide. Alright, this slide is taken from your workbook, page 45. Alright. Part 1. Write the words in 3 groups. Nah, Dia suruh kita menuliskan katanya. Kata-kata yang ada di dalam box, in the box ini menjadi 3 grup, ya 3 bagian. Oke. Yang pertama, kita ada bagian apa? Oke, let's we see. Alright, ada cooking ya. Like an example, cooking. Cooking ini teman-temannya siapa saja? Cooking ini berarti ada si shopping. Terus ada lagi cleaning up. Ada lagi doing the dishes. And then grup keduanya ada siapa aja? Oke, let's we see. Sometime. And then usually, ya ada always, ada usually, and the last ada never. And then yang grup ketiganya ada ini tentang o'clock. Temannya si o'clock ada quarter past, quarter to, half past. Alright. Nah, udah. Sekarang jangan lupa dituliskan di buku workbooknya masing-masing. Dikerjakan ya. Right, let's we continue the next slide. Okay, this is the last slide. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 45, part 2. Look and draw lines to make a sentences. Nah, kita mau tarik garis, ya. Oke, seperti biasa. Ini kita mengingat kembali tentang grammar kita, ya. Oke, ini udah ada contoh. For example, I get home from school at 3:30. Nah, kita mau lihat yang nomor 2-nya, bagian 2-nya. Nomor 2-nya. Ada she. Dari she berarti has. Dia lihat gambarnya ini, dia lagi ngapain? Dia lagi breakfast, ya. She has breakfast. Berarti dari she ke has breakfast. Terus kalau menunjukkan jam pakai by, in, or at. At, ya. Jamnya jam berapa ini? Quarter past or quarter to? Quarter past, ya. Oke. Quarter past berapa ini? 7. Alright. And then let's we see number 3. Ada you. Dia lagi bermain apa ini? Tennis or badminton? Tennis, oke. You always, ya, always-nya tidak pakai s, ya. You always, oke. Always play apa tadi? Tennis after school. Alright. And then the last, number 4. Dia lagi ngapain ini? Ada tanda silangnya nih. Berarti tidak, ya, berarti he never do, does, or doing, does, ya, karena dia pakai he. Does homework on, karena hari, ya, on Mondays. Alright. Nah, semuanya yang kita discuss tadi melalui video ini disalin di buku tulisnya, ya. I'm sorry, not buku tulis, but your workbook, ya, di buku workbook kalian masing-masing. Nah, missing enough for meeting today. Miss ingatkan lagi, jangan lupa untuk menyalin jawaban yang sudah kita diskusikan tadi ya. Oke. Miss Tingina for meeting today. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for your attention.